In this video, I'll show you how to exclude mobile app placements in Google Ads so your ads don't appear in apps that may generate low-quality clicks or accidental taps. Start by signing in to your Google Ads account and clicking the Tools and Settings icon. From there, open Content Suitability, which controls where your ads can appear across the display network and apps. Scroll to the Placement Exclusions section and choose Add Exclusions. Here you can block specific mobile apps by entering their app name, store URL, or app ID. If you want broader control, you can also exclude entire app categories, such as games or children's apps, which often generate lower engagement for some campaigns. After selecting the apps or categories you want to block, save the changes. The exclusions will apply to your campaigns going forward, helping keep your budget focused on placements more likely to drive meaningful interactions. Subscribe for more honest digital marketing tutorials.